right thing for me now would be to be fair, not be biased because you've got sentiments and you are emotional about the club oyifavorayo and you happen to officiate for that particular club on a given day. So just overlook that and do your best so that football becomes the winner at the end of the day. Moving away from the political side of things, which is what option ndi madekwana or ndi macheloni or ndi masiari dzina langa ndine Shoni Gerald Modabi. We are back at it again and it's good to see you as usual. I hope you're happy to see me this time around. There's something bengithi ngizoringa nani ngayo mara ngathi ukuthi ngayikhohlwa ithi ngicale ngayo. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Utshele ne-out yakho nethekeni yakho nomakhelwane ukuthi okay le out le iringa kakhulu but most times iringa into ezine sense kulabo abangagwadanga. Kulabo abakwatile azina sense but you still need to listen to those things. So angiyindawo ngiyi so ngizodila nawe straight. Hopefully i-complexion relationship yethu izochange as time goes. Iklap yakhe iwine and then ube excited and then mayidliwe ungithuke that I can take. Engamelanga uyenze ukuthuka ama-player that are obviously going to be a big part of this feature because we are going to focus on the key denominators in the run into league glory between the two giants, Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates, or Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns, depending ukuthi favor yipi, ufuna ngiqale ngayipi, so uzokhetha ukuthi uyibeka kanjani. But before we can even start thinking who might be or could be the league champion, there are people abaphethe impempe ezandleni bayifuthe emlonyeni abo Reverie. Mr. Rev, it's crucial moments of the season. Ikhona iklub oyifavorayo, whether i-Swallows, whether i-Shawela Joburg City, whether i-Pirates, whether i-Chiefs. But you must also not forget ukuthi you hold the key to where the title could eventually go. So what you do from here onwards becomes very, very important because the league is at a crucial stage and I personally believe it's a two-horse race, manje, and you guys are actually the people that can take it wherever you want to take it by doing the right things. So the right thing for me now would be to be fair, not be biased because you've got sentiments and you are emotional about the club oyifavorayo and you happen to officiate for that particular club on a given day. So just overlook that and do your best so that football becomes the winner at the end of the day. Moving away from the political side of things, which is what I just said in Abu Reverie, to more technical related issues. Sundowns, Pirates. If you haven't noticed, both sides play a very demanding 4-3-3 formation that requires technical intelligence, a lot of tactical awareness, big concentration, and an appetite for goals. So that alone says, because badlala in a almost similar manner, with Sundowns more possession-based in terms of how they do things. They like keeping the ball, drawing their opponents close, being patient in building up to build out, and eventually finding the open holes that are created by the opposition being impatient with them keeping possession for longer periods. At one point, when they won against Pirates, they strung along about 35 passes. It was good to watch. Pirates play a similar game model, which is a 4-3-3 as well. But difference now is the Pirates are not at all worried about keeping possession. They're worried about going forward at high speed. So their game is more counter-based. They're about counter-attacks. But that demands very clinical goal scorers. The finishing pack needs to make sure they bury the chances that are created by the high-speed forays that come flying into the opposition third or last third or defensive third. So then it speaks to evidence, Makgopa, it speaks to Mbuthuma, it speaks to Ashwin, it speaks to Rile, it speaks to Tito. I don't want to speak about Sipho Mbule because I don't know what the story is there. But if he decides to play football, he would add value to the attack of the players that I've mentioned, and making sure that the counter-attack that the coach enjoys playing at high speed becomes a success because he keeps possession just like Tito does, and they have enough players to make sure that all departments are covered going into the last hurdle of the league championship. So for now, singaimoshi by speaking about individual players. Sivale la, if bongazi ukuthi club yakhe idlala kanjani, of Favy Pirates, now you know. Mawufavy Sundowns, you also now know ukuthi what is the idea behind the pattern of play, the use of keeping the ball. So in our next one, I will not tell you ukuthi ngizobe ngiringa ngani. Just make sure you come back for more, because there will be more until the last day of the league title decider. Hopefully it goes down that way. The league is decided on the last day of the season, where the league decides to hang the coveted trophy up in the air in a helicopter, because we're not sure ukuthi liya kuphi, liya eMamelodi or liya Orlando. That's all from me for now. As always, my name is Gerald Shodi Mudabi. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit on that comment box to make sure that I understand how you feel. And just to maybe pick your brain, create a bit of engagement and excitement on this segment. On that box, ungaringi nga anything else, ngicela uringe ngo-Andre de Jong, uringe ngo-Peter Shalulile. Your thoughts, mina ngizofunda, respond when I can. Sometimes I can't respond to all the comments, but I try to. But it would be interesting to get your views on these two players. So I'm challenging you, Andre de Jong, Peter Shalulile. For now, sharp.